I'm Janet Marstein, Founding Director of the Institute of Museum Ethics and Assistant Professor in the MA program in Museum Professions at Seton University. Our first conference dedicated to innovative research in museum ethics by a new generation of emerging scholars and museum professionals was held on November 15, 2009 here at Seton Hall. The conference was supported by the Institute of Museum and Library Services and by the Office of the Dean, College of Arts and Sciences at Seton Hall. Our audience of over 100 consisted of museum studies students and faculty from 7 different programs and museum professionals from throughout the New York metropolitan area. 11 speakers representing universities in the UK, Portugal, Germany, and the US, with diverse academic backgrounds, including law school, MA programs in museum studies, interpretive studies, and visual culture theory, and PhD programs in history, socio-museological studies, museum studies, and American studies, came together to discuss many of the most pressing issues that museums now face. The interdisciplinarity of the group underscores the complexity of museum ethics and signals the reach of ethics across all areas of museum activity. What is community curation, and when, if ever, does the museum need to assert its authority to censor content? What special issues arise when the question is posed to a social networking site at a Holocaust museum? How and why might we refashion the current model of the biennial exhibition to prioritize community engagement and sustainability? These are just some of the questions that this thought-provoking group of speakers considers as they explore emerging stakeholders, new arguments, and changing perceptions. What unites the paper is their commitment to defining museum ethics through accountability, transparency, social responsibility, and democratic pluralism. Our keynote speaker, Glenn Wharton, conservator of time-based media at the Museum of Modern Art and research scholar at NYU, offers up a paradigm of transparency, social responsibility, and democracy through his riveting and inspiring case study of participatory conservation of a public monument in Hawaii. As Wharton indicates, this paradigm carries ethical implications for the museum context at MoMA and elsewhere. I invite you to view the conference videos to explore the range and depth of research in museum ethics today.